Hey guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use the cutout picture in Instagram story to make your own sticker. So open Instagram and click add story. Okay. So select your photo or video that you want to make as a story and then click the sticker button and then click cutout picture here. Okay, select your photo that you want to make as sticker. For example, I'm going to use this image. So this creating sticker automatically and just use sticker. So that's how you can add your own sticker using your photo. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.